Alright, dude, about to make some contact right now, dude.
Okay, babe, it's not working.
Just installed.
Packing the mail, it's gone. She like I I just signed the deal, I'm on. Yeah. Go where I want. Good. Play it.
One? Yeah, rape is great. It's like rape, you know? Whatever. Are we going?
No, we're going, bro.
What's up, fellas? Okay, we're gonna do the rack today because I blew it. I blew the seals on it, so that's what we're doing. We got it on ramps right now. So let's hit it. Let's do it. Alright, so I'm stupid, and you can't do the rack if it's on ramps. So I just jacked it up from my front subframe, and then I just put the jack stands under it. So now we're just gonna bust the wheels off right now, and then drain all the fluid out, and then we'll see you guys back in like 2 seconds. Alright, so we just busted the wheels off, and so we just hit these nuts loose, and then this one over here for the ball joint, so we can get the outer tie rod off the knuckle. And so we'll catch you guys back when we got the tie rod off. And then probably there's like 2 bolts right here for the rack. 1, 2.
So gay.
And then, I mean, honestly, just freaking saying it, I don't know. We'll
There's
figure it
fucking
out.
cords and shit. Okay, cool.
Warren, you tell them about it. I've been talking to them all day. They don't want to hear me all
I don't
day.
want to talk to him.
Fine, I'll talk to them.
Yeah.
There's like this. There's like a coupler, like a 13 in it, and a bolt like right on the steering shaft, connecting to the rack. So we just did that. Took that out, and then Sam's doing the just the mounting bolts.
Yeah.
Yeah. So he's just doing the mounting bolts because the rack mounts to the.
Bro, it's so tight.
That's what he said.
Dude, your car needs to be cleaned. Like, just steam the underside. Seriously. It's ridiculous.
I know, dude. It's so.
I'm literally about to change my gloves because they're so dirty.
You rip on him so much about his car, but he rips on you about your hygiene.
It's true, bro. You smell shit, Sam.
Yeah, Sam, take a shot.
It's my... Never mind.
Okay. Oh, is the rack coming out, boy? Oh, let's go.
Oh, dude, she's ready to go.
Wait,
Wait,
hold on.
we're missing something.
There's hoses.
Yes,
bro.
we
There's
need
hoses.
to disconnect a few
Retard.
lines.
Actually, start pulling again. We can see. Okay, so the reservoir.
Somewhere right here, too.
All right, the reservoir up here. There we go. Boom. So,
Just give it a little wiggle.
This is so flapped on this side.
yeah. So, yeah, we're gonna have to disconnect from the reservoir, so it might not get everywhere. That's cool. All right.
Oh.
That side doesn't barely move.
Barely touch the side and it's stiff.
This side, yeah.
That side.
Oh, it's got fluid leaking out of it.
Why does that look here?
So
I'm
basically right now we are kind of like running into a little bit of a problem. Dylan and I can't figure out how to pull the rack out because his steering column is still connected and there's other
No, it's
bolts we
not.
need to get. Yes, it is, bro. I'm literally pulling
No.
out. Watch. It's literally wiggling
Just
your
wiggle
steering
it
column.
out.
It's
Yes.
not gonna wiggle out. It's
just
connected to your steering column. I see it yoinking it right now.
I undid the coupler, my dude. It should slide right out.
It's not sliding right now, big dog.
Is that chill if I said as
Maybe if you had more practice, it would.
Pull out game week. Delete that clip, Dylan.
No.
Nope.
This clamp up here, you know?
And are you 100% sure this is the right part for your car?
Nope. That's the fun part.
Matches up.
If it's close enough, it's close enough. Dude, tranny fluid tastes weird.
I actually like the taste. It's kind of like strawberry jam.
Yeah, pretty much. Like this morning.
Yeah. Some purse cleaner on that bitch. Spray.
Can't really see, huh? It does sting.
We should just shower in parts cleaner.
I'm down. Get your cleaner.
Yeah. Okay. Pry bar? No, we don't have that. Maybe we should.
Yeah, low key, I'm thinking, yo, let's use the ball joint separator.
Honestly, I don't know if it's. I think the ball joint separator is gonna be too
Nails look like
small.
unicorn.
Well, no, I'm saying like slip
what
it in
everyone
between
says.
like the two things, slip the prongs right there,
like the sense at the
and then pull.
So bad.
You know what I'm saying?
Oh, yeah.
It was like supposed to be like really pretty sunset.
I'm just gonna play. I absolutely just genuinely looked at your penis.
I was
and
already. He already took 2 hours.
it really is. Like,
I was like, I'm not about to sit longer.
We got the rack out.
After those 10 minutes of videos I've just taken. Of
Yeah,
you guys fucking
so-
around.
All right, well, we tried to put like the ball joint separator, this thing right here, on the little coupler, like right where the shaft was, like on top of the, like right here against the coupler. That shit didn't work, so we just lined 2 dudes up, right on, just around here. We pulled.
yeah, we just
Came
like
off.
feet under the car. We just pushed on the tire right there, and just
Popped
yoinked
right
it out. Yeah.
Day 2. Day 2. 12:30. It's like midnight.
Yeah.
Haven't got the rack in.
Laying like this fucking hurts. My neck hurts.
It's been a real struggle.
Yeah. Any final words?
I'm still eating these Skittles.
You know, we're gonna update you when it's in. It's probably not gonna be in, but you're getting an update soon. Oh! There we go. Oh, dude, I don't know what just happened, but for some reason I felt that in my lower ball.
You have an upper ball and a lower ball?
My
One
right-
hangs a little lower.
Yeah. Actually, that was my upper ball for sure. Then, 'cause my right is a little higher than the. Okay, moving on. Are you filming that? Oh boy. Yeah, that's gonna get cut. Dylan, if you don't cut that, I quit.
Alright, we'll change it to Beamer Boy then.
Even though yours doesn't even run.
Yeah, I know.
So what are you doing right now?
God, dude, I feel like a goddamn comedian
We're
right now.
prying open the coupler because the male end will not slide into the female end.
Oh my god, dude, that's clapped right there.
You talking about the very, like, the tip?
Just the tip of the female end.
I
Look,
know.
how clapped.
Yeah. It's destroyed. Prior open.
Firmly grasp it. Just
Rest this
it
on
my-
your upper ball, and then I'm gonna
Oh,
just
it's gonna roll back to the upper ball, really.
hit
Oh, that stabs me.
Bro, move your hand. I can't see shit. Thank you.
As I'm holding the flashlight, you Nimrod.
Oh wait, no, we're gonna have to cross hand, right? That's how we're gonna do.
Oh,
Oh shit, you better hold
dude,
that.
why don't you just use the hammer how it's supposed to be used?
Because I don't want to hit myself.
Oh, dude, that's so much more open. Let's try it.
Nope. One more. That's how you do it. That's what professionals do.
Is this
it.
being filmed? Like all of this being filmed?
No, I'm just holding the phone like this.
Professionals
fun.
like jamming in. It just. That's what they do.
Yeah, how do you know?
So we gotta hit everything except for the spot I needed to hit.
Are you professional?
Aiden, your hand is
Professional YouTube mechanic,
What?
like. Never mind.
which doesn't
I thought
mean shit.
Crack was a lot bigger.
Are you
because of the
AC
shadow.
certified?
And I thought your
Yeah,
finger
it
was
is.
in
YouTube
certified.
certified.
Ask someone else. That's
Oh,
what that
my
means.
finger's fucking close
What?
to it.
Yes, he's certified. Just ask someone else.
Please don't take off Aiden's pinky.
I didn't really do a damn thing, so we just put that somewhere.
They can't go up anymore, Amber.
You guys need to like twist it up. You know what I'm talking about?
Twist his dick.
Grab his dick and twist it.
Give him the good old
Like perfect, right there, right there. That's straight on. Just push. Well, don't kill Aiden.
Wait, nobody's hand's right there, right?
Mine's right here, just holding this
Okay.
Mine's
so-
holding the flashlight.
Dude, I want the song. Song's legit.
Play the song.
So I can beat this. Alright, dude, about to make some contact right now, dude.
Okay, babe, it's not working.
Damn it. Check the female in. Bro, that shit
Actually, where'd it go?
easily again. Bro, it's so good.
Oh, I got you.
Dude, so many.
Okay. Day 2, failure. This rack's super gay. And I'm done. It's like 3 a.m. Alright. I'm cutting it there. Peace. All right, fast forward to the car being done. We got help from professional, but it's done now. Then we did the tow in, or yeah, I had a bunch of tow in, so we towed it out. And yeah, no, drive, check it. Like, we should
Quiet on set.
Bro, we don't need quiet on
I'm
set.
kidding, Dylan. Fuck you.
Professional here, dude.
Hey, that's why you gotta wear Heelys to escape your feelies.
Yeah, all right, so we're just detailing right now, so then we can go to the sideshow tonight in San Diego.
I think this guy's gonna get down in the BMW. This guy doesn't know how to fucking drift yet. He's kind of a scrub. Where's he at? Pop your head up, dog. Where you at? There he is.
All right, let's do this. Okay, what's happening?
Bro, we're about to go to a meet. Where are we going?
And then what?
Gonna go to an after show and see some skids. But where is it?
There you go, San Diego. I mean Mexico. Shit. Yeah, we're going over there, and we're gonna do some skiddy skids. It'll be great.
Wash the whips, dude. They look clean for once, you know. Dylan's clapped
shit.
E36 is semi-clapped now.
Yeah, it's not bad.
It's clapped, not spanked.
Yeah, there you go. All right, dude, let's get to it. See you on the road.
Yo. See you on the road, bro.
I'm gay. All right. And we're back.
Back again.
Back from Mexico. Like 2 miles away, actually.
Sick trip.
Look, it was like 2 miles away. And that's it, man. Rack and skids, dude.
Just installed.
Peace. See you in the next one.